Hi guys, we are the Practical Creators. On the basis of the channel, we are doing Arduino programming and electronics processing. Let's see what's today's topic.
Guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be seeing how to make a distance meter using Arduino, an ultrasonic sensor and LCD display. So, here you can see the demonstration, that is a preview of the video. So, let's get started. So, the materials required for this project are, so first of all, you should need an Arduino Uno, or you can use any Arduino boards. So next you need a 16x2 LCD display, and you also need an ultrasonic sensor, and you need a 220 ohms resistor and 10k potentiometer and some jumper wires, and you also need a breadboard for making the connection. So first of all, we have to place the LCD display on the breadboard, and we have to give the last two pins, that is the A pin and the K pin, to the power supply. So we have to give the K pin to the ground. So let's give the K pin to the ground. So, and we have to give the A pin and the positive rail using your 220 ohms resistor. So after this, we have to give the first two pins to the power supply. So first we have to give the first pin, which goes to the ground, and the second pin goes to the plus 5 volt. So now we are going to give the plus 5 volt to the second pin, and now we have to connect the potentiometer to the LCD display. So this is the positive, this is the negative, and the center pin we have to give to the VO pin of the LCD display. So first I am giving the plus 5 volt power supply and the ground, and I am giving the center pin to the VO pin of the LCD display. So now we have to give the Arduino connections to the LCD display. So first we have to take the Arduino, and we have to give the 8th digital pin to the RS pin of the LCD display, which is the 4th pin, and we have to give the 9th pin. So before that, we have to give the RW pin to the ground. So now we have to give the 9th digital pin of the Arduino to the enable pin of the LCD display, and we have to give the 10th pin to the D4 pin. So now I am giving the D4 pin. Okay, so now we have to give the 11th pin of the Arduino to the D5 pin. So now I have given that. So now we have to give the 12th pin of the Arduino to the D6 pin of the LCD display. So the last pin, yes, we have to give the D13 pin to the D7 pin. Okay guys, now we have to give the connections to the ultrasonic sensor. So first we have to give the VCC and the GND, that is we have to give the plus 5 volt and the ground to the ultrasonic sensor. So first I am giving the VCC, that is plus 5 volt. So when I am giving the VCC plus 5 volt to the ultrasonic sensor, and now I am giving the ground to the ultrasonic sensor. So now we have to give the trigger pin and the echo pin to the Arduino. So first I am giving the trigger pin and connecting it to the A4 pin, and I am connecting the echo pin to the A5 pin. Okay guys, now we have completed the connections. But we have to give the power supply from the Arduino to the breadboard. So we have to give the positive plus 5 volt from the Arduino and the ground from the Arduino to the breadboard. You can use any of the grounds. 3 grounds are given in the Arduino Uno board. So now I am giving the ground. So at last the circuit looks like this. So now we have to just program the code to the Arduino. Okay guys, this is the code for our project. You can also check this code in the description box. So this is the code. So you can take a look. I am scrolling it. So I'll just show the name which displays our channel. So you can also change the name in this section. So I'm uploading the code to the project. So the uploading has completed. The display is done uploading. So guys, this is the project and my circuit works. Thanks for watching this.
Like,
Share,
subscribe
comment,
to
practical.
creators. Thanks for watching this video.